Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the USB audio circuit board from a Dell Alienware 15 version R2. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove access door. Now unplug battery. Then separate clips and remove memory. Now unscrew and remove solid-state drive. Now unroute backlight, keyboard, and macro key cables. Then remove hard drive screws. Next, disconnect and remove hard drive. Then disconnect keyboard and macro key cables from motherboard.